Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of This Is In My Garage, and we have a rare treat. Dodge Charger 2014 had an exhaust leak. I'm doing an exhaust repair today. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right to it. Okay, so right here literally cracked the exhaust apart from right here. Don't know what she hit. She doesn't have no idea. So today what the plan is, I'm gonna go ahead and add a piece of pipe. I'm gonna cut this off flat, straighten it out. I'm gonna cut this off flat and straighten it out. I'm gonna add a piece of pipe. Will probably be on this side. But anyway, I'm gonna add a piece of pipe, weld it, and weld a piece, slide this over the pipe and tack weld it as well, and then just do the repair that way. So right here I put a strap so I could go ahead and draw the muffler into this pipe with the extended piece that I added here. Right now I had to put the whole exhaust system back in the car so I could go ahead and tack weld a couple of places here. Then I have to bring the whole exhaust system down and go ahead and do the finish out welds. Alright, we tacked weld 4 or 5 spots, so right now I'll be able to loosen this up.
Alright, no more breaking. And that's staying.
We'll take this down to get at the same time, and then I'll finish welding it. give you a quick overview on how I installed the exhaust back into the car. It was a pain. Let me go ahead and show you what I did. All right, so right here you can see I went ahead and I installed it here first. I put it inside the existing pipes coming from the header. Okay, then as you see there's a strap that goes all the way across. All right, so I put that strap on a metal bracket that's holding the two exhaust pipes, and I hooked it to the muffler on this side. All right, I put tension on there. So with the tension, I shook the exhaust up and down until the exhaust went ahead and got jammed up tightly up to the front. Shortly after that, after I went ahead and tightened it up, I had to pry the mufflers in its place. It's gonna be a tight, and I'm talking about tight fit. Like they didn't give no room for play. This thing is like jam up. I'll go ahead and turn it on, see if it sounds like a Honda. Hopefully it doesn't. Got quiet again. Doesn't sound like a Honda no more. So guys, I haven't told you, but I've been using the Harbor Freight welder. I purchased this welder about a month ago. It's been working very, very well. I really recommend, if you guys are looking to weld with a flux core, Harbor Freight will be the place to go and pick you up one. It's been dependable. Those of you that are not trying to reach deep in your pockets for a welder, look up harborfreight.com or go to your local Harbor Freight stores and check them out. Another successful completion of another vehicle. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, this is In My Garage. Thank you for watching.